So today I am doing my 6th video and the topic is reviewing LG dishwasher DFB44FW. Now let's get started. So in this video I'll just say some features and I'll show you the dishwasher. In my next video I will show you the dishwasher and what features I have covered in this video. I will show you in the dishwasher. Okay. Now let's get started with the dishwasher, with the features of the dishwasher. Now the dishwasher has many features. Even there are many options to choose a cycle. Various options we can choose. Also, its control panel has many features, and this dishwasher has a good feature, that is the app, LG SmartThink app. In that you can see the status of the cycle running in the dishwasher, if it's drying or if it's washing, if it's in steam, etc. And next, this is 14 place settings, and this is 14 place settings. I will even share the link in the description, and even in my next video I will cover all, what the features I have said. I will show you in my next video. And next, there is a specialty in this dishwasher, that is quad wash. That means normally in dishwashers, the water spray arms are having only two wings, but in this LG dishwasher they have given quad wash, which means the main water spray arm will be having 4 spray arms. Okay, means 4 wings. Okay, and there are 3 water spray arms in this. And even true steam. I'll say you true steam means there are 4 vents in this dishwasher from which the steam comes out, and even in this water spray arms, even the steam comes out. That's also a good feature in this dishwasher. And this dishwasher gives less noise, that is 45 dB. Also, we can run many cycles with various options like turbo, with steam, with extra drive, with high temperature, like that, etc. I'll show you in my next video. And in this in this dishwasher we are given with also child lock. Child lock means in this dishwasher that while cycle is running in this dishwasher, if we press any button, it can go into the action. But so when we press child lock, then even if we press any other options, it does not take the option. Okay. And next we have 2 racks, upper rack and lower rack, and even we have foldable tines. Tines means the one we keep plates, bowls, or etc. We can fold them and keep bowls in the plates in the place of plates, or plates in the place of bowls, etc. And even we have cutlery basket in which we can keep more spoons, big spoons, big forks, etc. And even funnel that will help us to pour salt in the dishwasher. And next we have rinsette dispenser, dishwasher detergent dispenser, salt refill dispenser, and filter. In that all the leftover particles will be collected in that, so clean it after 5 to 6 washes, and every time before putting them into the dishwasher, take out all the leftovers from the plates and keep it in that. Okay, in the dishwasher. And the box contains dishwasher with attached pipes to it, cutlery basket, and funnel, as I said, and warranty card, manuals. And they will give you one strip to check the hardness level of your water in your area. And this is a very nice dishwasher. Also, it's good at it in own point. It's a very nice dishwasher for me also. Okay, it is even easy to use, and as I said, there is one app, LG SmartThink app. And I will cover even LG SmartThink app in another video about LG DFB44FW dishwasher. And this video is just will cover only few points, but in my next video I will show you the dishwashers options, how to use or start them. And now I'll show you the dishwasher and how the utensils have been cleaned, and even where you think where to place the tablet. So you can place the tablet in the detergent compartment, powder detergent compartment, or on the floor. Okay, I'll show you that also in my next video. Okay guys, now we will see the dishwasher, and I'll show you one plate from the dishwasher, and I will show you the spray-ons in my next video, etc. So guys, now let's go and see the dishwasher. Yes. So guys, this is the dishwasher. I think you can see this, and I'll show you the closer look of this. So I think you can see this. This is the control panel. Yes, LG, and this is the power button, auto, intensive, delicate, refresh, eco, turbo, and these are all the options or features to choose. And this is the start button. I think you can see this. And even here we have salt indicator and rinse side indicator, and this is the Wi-Fi indicator, and this is the LED screen that shows you the time and the feature what we have chosen. And here we have been given with extra function hold 3 seconds. And in another video I will cover about the control panel only about the control panel. Okay guys, now again I will show you the big look of this. So this is how the dishwasher looks. It's very nice, and I will show you the I'll show inside of this. And guys, the dishwasher even completed cycle, and I will show you how the dishes have been even cleaned. I'll only show you few dishes only. Okay guys, I think you can see this, how clean it is looking, and see this, it's like shining mirror. Okay guys, so guys, as I said, I have showed you the dishwasher LG DFB 44FW, and you have seen how the plates are also shining like mirror. Please don't get mad for me, because as I have not shown you the features on the dishwasher, in my next video, what the features I have said in this video will all be shown: the upper spray arms, lower spray arms, middle spray arms, where to keep the tablet, not by saying, I'll show you them, and I have shown you how the plates have been shining in that also. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you from the whole team of SPER's Sai Product Reviews. Like, share and subscribe, and comments. Please comment in the comment section below. Please click the bell icon so you'll get the notification when I post my new video. Thank you so much once again. Thank you for giving me 1K views again. See you all in my next video. Stay home, stay safe, always wear mask when you go out. Bye.